Hi, mahal. This is it. This is finally the day that we have been waiting and preparing for over a year. Masaya ako na kahit inaaway na kita dahil sa sobrang stress ay iniintindi mo pa rin ako. Mas pinipili mong mahalin ako. Ipinagpapasalamat ko sa Diyos ang pagdating mo sa buhay ko. Sa mga panahon na lahat tayo ay nakakulong at naghahanap ng kausap, ay nag-match tayo.
Mahal, sa wakas ito na yung araw na pinakantay natin. Ang araw ng ating pag-iisang dibdib. Sa tagal ng panahon na idinasal ko sa makikapal nung single pa ako, sa bawat simbahan dinalo ko sa habang naglilitrato ako sa pagkasal. Sa wakas, ikaw yung taong matagal ko na idinasal sa makikapal. Ikaw yung taong gusto ko makasama habang buhay. Maging ina na magiging anak natin very soon. Tuturuan ang mga anak natin sa mga natutunan natin sa pang-araw-araw ng buhay at gabayan sila sa landas na dapat tinatahak. Ngayon, day 0 ito ng araw ng ating kasal. Bukas, doon na magsisimula ang unang araw natin sa buhay mag-asawa. Sabay natin harapin ang mga new challenges sa buhay. Always remember yung sinabi ko sa'yo bago maging tayo. Sa relationship, it's not always sunshine. There's always rain. Got to be prepared.
Sa mga oras na kausap at kaibigan lang ang aking hanap, puso ang ibinigay mo sa akin. Hinding-hindi ako magsasawang inisin at kagatin ka sa bawat araw na kasama kita. Ikaw lamang ang aking iibigin, kahit na marami kang naging babae sa past life mo. Ilan na sa kanila ay sila Segunda Katigbak, Yono Rivera, Osei San, at Josephine Bracken. Mahal na mahal kita, mahal ko. Ikaw lamang at wala ng iba. Ngayon at magpakailanman.
put you first the second that we met. You held my hand and never let it slip. I want you to know, my baby, you make me feel this crazy. All these years it was always hard to find someone who will love me and my scars. And then you came, my baby, come down and try to save me. I know forever's just a myth, but seeing you in that brown dress knew it from the moment that we met. Darling, I want you in my arms for the rest of my life. So can you decide that you will love me same, and your heart screams out my name, and I love you every day. No one's ever made me feel this way. It's a dream of mine to hold the hand of yours, staring at your eyes until it's dawn, and waking next to you, yeah, and make that coffee for you. I can't wait to see all
Your
of
father
this
should be
unfold.
your safe soul, your happy
You're
place,
everything and
your
more.
calm in
I
this
adore
world.
you.
Someone you can count
I'll
on,
never break
someone
your
who will motivate you
heart.
and guide you, someone who cares about
I
your
knew
peace of
that from
mind,
the start.
someone you can call a home.
I know forever's just
Leo
a
Vincent,
myth, but you gave
did you
me
come
so
here of
much
your own
faith
freedom
with
to
it.
bind yourself
Never knew
forever
this
in the love and
would be
service
this
of your wife?
worth it.
I do.
Darling, I want you in my arms for the rest of my life. So can you decide that you will love me same, and your heart screams out my name, and I love you every day. No one's ever made me feel this way. No one's made me feel this way. No one's made me feel this way. I knew it from the moment that we met. There's something with you that just can't be said. But you're the one, my baby, and I never felt this crazy.
Ito ba? Ito ba yung kamay na kinikilala mong asawa mo, ha? Di na ako magpapakita sa'yo!
Kapag kinasal kami, yun yung magiging yung pag-aari niya, magiging pag-aari. Ready na ba siyang ibenta ko?
Kawawang ganda.